In this short video, we will learn how to use any and some and then do a practice dialogue. Let's start. We use any as a negative. I don't have any apples. We use some as a positive. I have some apples. So we can think of any as no and some as yes. Let's ask a question. Do you have any apples? Maybe no. Or do you have some apples? Maybe yes. Do you have any apples? Maybe no. Or do you have some apples? Maybe yes. When answering a question, we use some to say yes. Do you have some apples? Yes, I have some apples. We use any to reply no. Do you have some apples? No, I don't have any apples. And that's the difference between any and some. Let's do a short dialogue to practice what we learnt. Hi, Jack. Hi, John teacher. I have some pineapple. Can I have some pineapple? Sure, help yourself. Do you have any cookies? No, I don't have any cookies. I have some potato chips. Do you want some? Yes, please. Oh, and I have some chocolate candy. Do you want some? Oh, no, thank you. I don't want any chocolate candy today. I have a toothache. If you have some questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you don't have any questions, then have a nice day. If you want more educational content, please click here. See you again soon. Bye.